Hello, everyone. This is Jillian Verdun from J&B Financial Services, your profit strategist, bringing tips and tricks to improve your financial situation for the new year. Thank you again for joining us and tuning in. We appreciate you joining. Last time we chatted, we talked about procrastination in your business finances. Today, I'm going to address how to stop procrastinating your bookkeeping. So I mentioned bookkeeping previously and didn't really give you examples on how to do that. So today we get to talk about the how, because that's always what people say. I can do this, but I don't know how. So your business can't be profitable if you don't get paid. Magic how that happens. You send an invoice, you get money, you get paid, right? Well, but if you don't, then guess what? You don't get paid. So regular accounting tasks may not be the most exciting aspect of running a business, but they are necessary. Although important, it can be all too easy to procrastinate and not get this critical task done regularly. Here are some ways you can stop procrastinating your bookkeeping. Set up and maintain organization. You might be procrastinating your accounting because your receipts and invoicing are a mess. If this is the case, your first step should be to create an organization system for them. A lack of organization makes it much harder to motivate yourself to complete your necessary bookkeeping task. Try creating a space where you can keep your accounting documents so they are accessible when you sit down to do your bookkeeping. Organize them by client or expenditures type when they come in. Keep invoices and expense receipts separate. Use technology. Accounting software makes bookkeeping much easier for small service-based businesses. Some of the major options include QuickBooks, FreshBooks, and Xero. In many cases, functions can even be automated. These features can send automatic reminders to clients with past due invoices. They can also generate financial reports from available data. When you move the handling of your business finances online, everything is securely stored in the cloud. This means you don't run the risk of losing important information in the event of a disaster. Keeping all of your finances in a central program like these also reduce the risk of misplacing a receipt or an invoice so you don't become overdue on a bill or never get paid for work you did. Form habits and schedules. Another good idea is to work on forming good habits that help ensure you get your bookkeeping done. Once in place, a habit can be difficult to break. So this leads to lasting positive behavioral changes. Designate a certain day of the week and do your bookkeeping then. I don't care if you call it Money Monday, you call it Wealth Wednesday, Financial Friday. Just pick a date, set a time, and work on your bookkeeping. Doing your bookkeeping at the same time on that day is even better for getting yourself into a schedule. You should also keep things quiet during this time. Avoid answering phone calls or emails unless necessary. Doing so helps improve time management in general. Good time management is critical to stop procrastinating your bookkeeping. You should also do a final accounting at the end of the month. This is important for your records and the long-term financial health of your business. It allows you to evaluate your performance and note where there are any issues. And last but not least, consider hiring an accountant or a service. Accounting may not be something you can do on your own. This is especially true if your business is growing. This is a good problem to have, but your attention may be elsewhere. And if you find yourself unable to stay on top of your accounting for any reason, a viable alternative is to hire a dedicated accountant to work for your business. However, your business may not be ready to hire an employee. So working with an accounting service for your bookkeeping is another option. These alternatives are desirable if you consistently make mistakes in your accounting that throw off your finances or have gotten in trouble with taxation authorities in the past. You should stop procrastinating your bookkeeping. At best, you will fall behind and have to catch up. At worst, your business could be in serious financial trouble without you knowing about it. An audit could be a nightmare if your accounting isn't up to date. If you always find yourself falling behind on your bookkeeping, take measures to put a stop to it soon. If you do, your business will be much healthier and you will be much happier. So, we'd like to thank you again for listening to us today, and please follow us on your favorite podcast. Thanks. Bye.